What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the next adventure. I'm Bob. Well, we're back in the forest. We're gonna do another winter camp. This time we have snow on the ground. It's about 25 degrees out here. The plan is this weekend just to hang out here, explore. Can't see anything right now, obviously, because it's dark. It's way later than I expected it to be because I had to dig for a little while. You'll see why. But the plan is we're just gonna do some hiking, do some exploring, just hang out. And should be some pretty decent weather, I hope, because if it snows anymore, we're not making it out of here. If it starts to snow at all, I have to pack up and leave. There's no way we can get out of here. So without further ado, let's get into it. I don't know if you saw that. The old vehicle just sank. Oh, look at one. That's what I needed. I think I've got the trailer unhooked right now. I'm gonna hook it back up. I'm gonna try to go backwards. We're just high centered. We'll be out of here in no time. Well, I would have had it, but I had the trailer on. I think I just sank it again, so it's gonna take me a bit of digging. I'll check back in after I get this thing out. I'm gonna take a breather. I did it. I got out. Now, let's see if we can get stuck again, because we got a problem that over here. But I gotta come back and get my trailer. Now, how do you suppose I should do that? Oh man. All right, well, I'm gonna come up with a game plan and I'll let you know. So after I got stuck there, I went back up that hill and I was like, well, I can't make it back through here because I drove through here, down and around, and then when I came back up, I tried to make a left and that's how I got stuck. So then I really messed it up through there. So I was like, well, I can't make it back now. So I went back up and I was gonna try to make it to a lake that I've been at before up there, and I know where that's at. But it started to get really deep. And then I found a good spot right next to the river, right off the road. And I was like, well, I like this spot, but I don't know. I was determined to come back here. So I said, screw it. And I came back and I just plowed through it. So here we are. I'm happy now. Copper and I are probably not gonna do a whole lot tonight. We're just gonna kick back. I'm gonna get camp set up a little bit, just eat a snack and drink some water. I'm gonna just hop in the camper, probably read a book and fall asleep. So I'll see you in the morning. Good morning, everybody. Made it through the night. It was pretty good sleep, really. I actually slept in later than I thought I would, but I'm gonna make myself some coffee. While I do that, check out this view. I have this entire place by myself, which makes sense because it's kind of a pain to get back in here, as you saw. I only have one objective today, and that's to make it down to the river and get more water. I apparently didn't bring enough water. I'm out of water already. Had to make some coffee and water for Copper and, you know, regular stuff. So I'm gonna have to go down to the river, gather some water, bring it back up, but that's okay. I plan on going down the river anyways. Don't worry that I will be either boiling or filtering this water. So this is the water filter that I'll be using for today. It's quick, easy. It's a Grayl Geopress. So when you fill this up full of water, what you do, there's a line somewhere, but I don't know where it's at. Oh, about that full of water. And then you crack this top lid here. That way you can vent out the air. Then you literally just press it in. And just like that, you got a water bottle full of water ready to drink. Yep, it's good water. Well, if there's any animals around, they aren't anymore. I decided to just go for a little hike here. So these tracks go off into this direction here. Can hear the river, so it almost looks like if we went down, up and over, get to the river. Follow these tracks, it might go around this hill here. I think I'm just gonna go straight up the hill and see what's over the hill. Crawled up the hill, I see the river. Oh boy, but that's a long ways down. Look at this. The river's right there. And then on the other side is a huge canyon. Still think I'm gonna try to get down there Well, that view doesn't suck too bad. Super peaceful. But I wonder if I follow this ridge line up right here, if I can up and over it to get back to camp. I think we're gonna try it. I think I might have just found my way down. We made it. Well, I'm gonna wander around a little bit, and if I see anything cool, I'll kick on the camera. But I'm just gonna enjoy this river for a bit. I might take a little hobo bath. That actually sounds pretty good. Wash my face up, maybe my hair a little bit. So I'll see you later. Just enjoying it. It is beautiful. Oh, it's beautiful. But I'm gonna mosey my way back up. I think I'm gonna try to go up the hill this way back to camp. I'm not gonna follow that road. I don't think I'm that far. I think if I just go up, I should be there, so. See all this sap here so this is what I'm looking for here. Oops. Basically just chunks of sap sitting on the side of the tree. I'm just taking it off the edges. I'm not poking into the tree or nothing. Shouldn't hurt the tree at all. I'm gonna try to just spark one of these little things up. Just maybe. I'll let the match go out. Match is gonna go out. Oh no. Oh, it's a disaster. Oh no. I did start there for a second. Ooh, that's some black smoke. I'm just tossing the match right in the middle of it all. There we go. Look at that. Actually worked pretty well. Now let's see if I can put it out. So there's something big coming up through these trees over here. It's got copper growling. I heard it too. It was busting a bunch of trees. If I go over there, copper's gonna scare whatever it is. So I'm hoping it'll pop up over the hill. I might put copper in the camper and go check it out. That was weird sounding. It's off in this direction. I think it's on the other side of that hill, though. I see mountain sheep way up on the hill. Hold on. Let's see if I can get a shot of this. So that's the guy making all the noise. Hanging off on the side of a cliff. Sorry for the shaky camera. I'm doing this. I'm literally putting up a pair of binoculars to the lens, try to get a better shot. Sweet. Well, if they come down any closer or anything, I'll show you. We'll check back in on them later. Here is dinner. Got a nice pork chop and some baked beans. I haven't had baked beans in a long time. This can has been floating around in my pantry for a long time, so I figured I might as well eat it. There's a lot of beans in there though, so I'll probably have beans for breakfast. Once again, I apparently forgot a fork, so yeah, whatever. There we go. Oh yeah, that's a good chop. Oh, that's delicious. All right, I'm gonna kick back, I'm gonna eat this down, and I'll check in later. Dinner was awesome, so now I'm just gonna kick back, relax, I'm gonna enjoy this fire for a while. The sun's gone down, and have a little bit more whiskey, listen to some music, and then I'm gonna bed down for the night. So I will see everybody in the morning. Well, good morning, everyone. I'm gonna load up and try to get out of here, and we gotta drive through what we got stuck, so that might be pretty fun. But that's gonna tie it up for this video. So if you're still with me, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. On to the next adventure.